Hey there everybody. Today I'm reviewing the Green Party 20 by 20 foot metal carport kit, a heavy duty shelter designed to protect your vehicles from the elements. I've already gone through the assembly process, so let's break down what you need to know before you buy. This carport features a galvanized steel roof, a major upgrade from traditional fabric covers, making it more durable and weather resistant. The powder-coated steel frame adds rust resistance. It's designed for various surfaces, mud, asphalt, or concrete, but it should only be set up on a level surface for maximum stability. The adapted threaded pipe track design made assembly easier than expected, which is a big plus because I was doing this by myself, and so that made it a lot easier. The kit does have instructions. Some important notes are you want to make sure that you have enough room to lay everything out, so that way you can see everything that you're working with, because there are a lot of pieces. Make sure that your ground is level before assembling, and then pay close attention to the orientation of the bolt holes when assembling the frame. I had to take it apart 1 or 2 times because I had the bolts facing the wrong direction. There are bolts that go on both sides of the channel, and it helps it stay really secure. Once you get all the uprights in, you're going to put in a horizontal beam here to help support everything, and then you put these brackets on that create an angle, and they just really help support it. So that's why you want to pay attention to which way those bolt holes are facing, because you don't want to have to take it apart and turn something around. The top of it is extremely heavy, so if you don't have a way to lift it after the roof is on, I highly recommend that you build the frame and then attach the roof to it. I had to do it that way because I didn't have any way or enough people to help lift it up and get it onto all its posts. Now the sheeting does come with pre-drilled holes, but you are going to have these self-tapping screws to go in the frame, but I suggest pre-drilling them. It made it a lot easier. Make sure you overlap them correctly. This thing is sturdy and weather resistant. The metal roof and sealed joints help prevent leaks and withstand harsh conditions. It's got versatile usages, so you can use it to protect your cars, or you can have events under it, gatherings, or have an outdoor workspace that is covered. So it's super easy to set up, but make sure you plan ahead. Having an extra set of hands would definitely help. Overall, the Green Party metal carport kit is a solid investment. If you need long-term vehicle protection or a multi-use outdoor shelter, this is built to last, easy to assemble, and offers great protection from the elements. I highly recommend this.